Welcome back to another Explainer Focused Learners. Today, we're unpacking a system that is going to fundamentally shift how you think about managing a business in India. We're diving into Fintaal. It's essentially an AI financial intelligence system built from the ground up for Indian small and medium enterprises. Look, if you've ever felt that absolute dread of month-end reconciliation or had that sudden panic over a missing tax document, yeah, you're going to want to pay close attention to this one. We're going to see exactly how artificial intelligence is stepping in to completely revolutionize SME accounting.
So let's just get right into it. Are you honestly still managing your GST on Excel or trying to piece it together from random WhatsApp messages? Because for so many business owners, accounting is just this painful, chaotic mix of manual data entry, lost paper bills, and totally disorganized digital chats. Think about it. You've got receipts literally fading in your wallet, invoices buried deep in WhatsApp threads, and worst of all, unclaimed input tax credit quietly eating away at your profit margins. It's a messy reality that a lot of us just accept as the cost of doing business. But today, we're exploring a system that says, no, it doesn't have to be this way.
Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the manual accounting problem, then enter the Fintaal AI autopilot. After that, we'll walk through the 3 steps to clarity, explain the key AI features, and finally, look at choosing your pricing plan.
Starting with Section 1, the manual accounting problem. We're talking chaos, faded ink, and missed ITC.
The bottom line is that accounting shouldn't feel this incredibly hard. Manual entry isn't just an annoyance, it is a direct drain on your time and your money. The source material paints a really vivid picture of this reality. Physical paper bills fading over time so you can't even read them, crucial invoice images getting totally lost in the endless WhatsApp scroll, and all of this leads directly to missing out on your input tax credit, or ITC. Remember, when you lose the record, you lose the credit. That is real money walking right out the door.
And to put a number on it, here's the true cost. Fintaal's data suggests businesses are losing up to 2 to 3 hours every single day just dealing with this manual accounting chaos. I mean, think about that for a second. 2 to 3 hours a day. That's time you are not spending growing your business, not talking with customers, and definitely not working on strategy. It's just time vanishing into a black hole of data entry.
Which brings us to Section 2. Enter Fintaal AI Autopilot. Think of it as your automated accountant. What's really brilliant here is that Fintaal tackles this problem from 2 distinct angles. For business owners, it's not just a tool to track data, it's literally automating your growth. The AI tells you what to fix and how to save money so you can actually get back to building your empire. But on the flip side, it's equally powerful for chartered accounts. It supercharges their practice. They can handle way more clients with way less effort because the AI catches errors before anything gets filed. It frees them up to give you real financial advice instead of just constantly chasing you for paperwork. It completely removes the friction for both parties.
Moving to Section 3, 3 steps to clarity, from chaos to compliance.
So how do we actually replace those dreaded, exhausting weekend accounting sessions? It's an incredibly simple workflow. Step 1, you just upload your bill. Snap a photo, upload a PDF, or literally just forward it on WhatsApp. Step 2, the AI instantly goes to work extracting the data. It pulls the invoice number, the GSTINs, the amounts, even the specific line items. And Step 3, your reports are ready. Boom! GSTR1 and GSTR3B are auto-generated and instantly ready to be shared with your CA through a secure portal. From a crumpled receipt to a filed report in exactly 3 steps.
All right, Section 4, key AI features explained. Let's look at how the magic actually works. Running silently in the background is this huge suite of AI tools. First, you've got the Smart Bin. You just dump your messy receipt photos in there, and the AI effortlessly reads the amounts and merchant data. Then there's Magic GSTIN, which instantly fills in customer details and automatically detects intrastate taxes. Honestly, my absolute favorite feature though, voice accounting. You can literally just talk to your phone and say, hey, add an expense of 500 rupees for petrol, and it logs it instantly. Combine all that with AI error detection, totally seamless syncing with Tally and Zoho, and that WhatsApp integration, and you've got a seriously unified ecosystem.
But look, all those features mean absolutely nothing if you can't trust the system, right? Well, this is the anchor metric you need to know, 99.9%. Fintaal's AI boasts a 99.9% accuracy rate for data extraction. It automatically classifies your invoices as income or expense, and it adds intelligent tags so everything is organized perfectly. You aren't just taking bad, messy data and making it digital, you are actively creating a heavily organized, audit-ready database. Let's ground this in some real-world impact. Listen to this from Rajesh Kumar.
a shop owner in Mumbai. He says, "This app saved me hours every week. I just snap a photo and my GST data is ready. No more weekend accounting." That right there perfectly captures the value for an SME owner. You're reclaiming your weekends from the total drudgery of manual data entry. That is a massive quality of life upgrade.
And let's look at the CA side of the equation. Priya Sharma, a chartered accountant in Delhi, points out, "Makes GST filing much easier for my clients. The data is clean, validated, and ready to use in my portal." This is huge. It proves Fintaal isn't just making life easier for the business owner while passing a mess on to the accountant. It's actually cleaning and validating that data so it is completely prepped. It bridges that gap and eliminates the friction perfectly.
Now here's where it gets really fascinating. Fintaal isn't just a compliance tool to keep you out of trouble, it actually acts as a growth engine. The AI automatically scans your purchase bills, specifically looking for missing input tax credit opportunities. By proactively hunting down those missing credits, it can literally save your business thousands of rupees. Plus, it throws real-time cash flow insights and your net GST liability projections right up there on your dashboard. It takes accounting from this backward-looking shore and turns it into a forward-looking strategy.
And what's the ultimate goal of all this proactive AI oversight? A 100% compliance score. By catching duplicate entries and flagging errors way before anything gets filed, the system is designed to push your business right to a perfectly stress-free 100%.
Let's wrap up with Section 5, Choosing Your Pricing Plan. Simple and powerful.
So how does the pricing actually break down? It starts with a completely free plan, 0 rupees a month. You get 10 uploads and 5 AI queries a day, which is absolutely perfect for testing the waters. Then the basic plan sits at 499 rupees a month, bumping you up to 50 uploads and adding that AI error detection. But the sweet spot, the most popular tier, is the Pro plan at 999 rupees a month. That unlocks unlimited uploads, unlimited AI queries, advanced insights, and most importantly, those ITC saving suggestions that literally pay for the software. And if you're a massive operation, there's a custom enterprise tier with API access and team controls. There's a very clear, logical scaling path here based purely on your transaction volume.
Which really brings us to the core value proposition of Fintaal. It's this simple. Stop doing accounting. Just start uploading bills. By shifting the entire burden of data extraction, tagging, and reporting over to an AI, you're joining thousands of Indian businesses who are actively saving time, eliminating human error, and reclaiming their focus.
So I want to leave you with this final thought today. Are you ready to let AI turn your financial chaos into a growth engine? We've just seen how a really simple shift from manual data entry to intelligent automation doesn't just buy back 2 to 3 hours of your day, it actively finds you missing tax credits and completely transforms your relationship with your accountant. Think about your current workflow right now. Think about the fading receipts, the weekend stress, the lost time. Could an AI autopilot be the exact missing piece you need to scale your operations? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, stay focused, and I will see you next time.